The benefits of using coconut oil in the belly button. 1. Coconut oil is a natural medicine known for its healing powers around the world. It is made from the pressed meat of the coconut. 2. In Ayurveda, the ancient Indian form of natural medicine, coconut oil has been applied to the belly button for thousands of years. This ancient practice is said to have many excellent benefits for human health. 3. The human belly button is rarely cleaned and often contains sweat and dirt. Coconut oil cleanses this area and moisturises the skin. 4. Many people have a dry or infected belly button. This can leave a foul cheese smell which is caused by a fungus. Coconut oil destroys harmful pathogens and clears up infections. 5. The belly button is the original source of life energy, as this is where the umbilical cord is connected before birth. In Ayurveda, nourishing this area is said to increase fertility and relieve menstrual cramps. 6. Other oils such as peppermint oil or ginger oil are often mixed with coconut oil and applied into the belly button using a cotton swab. Due to the high amount of nerve endings in this area, a soothing effect can be felt which may help stomach pain and digestive discomfort. 7. Guava leaf or juniper oil is mixed with coconut oil and applied into the belly button to increase fertility, according to this ancient medicinal practice. 8. In Ayurveda, chakras are an important concept to understand. According to Ayurvedic practitioners, the belly button contains an energy center. This is said to be the creative center for imagination, hopes and dreams. Stimulating this using coconut oil enhances energy flow to this area. 9. Be sure to test your skin or dilute any oils that you may use, as the belly button is a sensitive area and should be treated gently. 10. To learn more about ancient medicine and natural remedies, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.